All right, y'all, this Hoovercraft is in dire need of a little bit of a tune-up here. All right, new line for the Hoovercraft. We're gonna rip all this cable out, and yeah, I mean, it got snapped in half somehow. Damn it! Fogged out right when you hit it. Got Martinez working on the AirPods. We're gonna separate them and take this off. We're just gonna run the pods on there. That way we can get inside these carbs and do some adjusting if we need to do it on the fly. Got a brand new battery, got our little rigged up harness there. I got the exhaust manifold back on. I got brand new springs inside here. She running a little rough. Here we go, y'all, first test run. This thing ain't ran in about, I don't know, 2 years. All right, here we go. Round two.